Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Your irresistible aura. Confidence is magnetic. It's a force that draws people towards you, making them want to be in your presence. When you walk with confidence, you exude an energy that is hard to ignore. It draws people in, women included. Women are naturally attracted to men who carry themselves with assurance and poise. This kind of confidence signals that you are someone worth knowing. It's about believing in yourself, your value, and your worth. When you look in the mirror and see someone who is capable and deserving, that belief radiates outward. It's not just about appearances, it's about the inner conviction that you are enough. When you exude confidence, you communicate to the world that you are comfortable in your own skin. This comfort translates into ease in social situations, making interactions smoother and more genuine. This self-assuredness is incredibly attractive. Holding eye contact, smiling genuinely, and engaging in meaningful conversations are all signs of a confident individual. But confidence isn't about arrogance or being boastful. True confidence is about knowing your strengths and using them to help others, not to elevate yourself above them. True confidence is quiet, understated. It's the calm assurance that you don't need to prove anything to anyone. It's about being secure in who you are without needing external validation. It's about carrying yourself with a sense of self-respect and knowing that you have something unique to offer. Good posture, a steady gaze, and engaging in activities you love all contribute to this aura. Women are drawn to this kind of confidence because it signals strength, stability, and a captivating aura of self-assurance. It's not just about physical appearance, it's about the energy you project. How do you cultivate this irresistible confidence? It starts with self-awareness and self-improvement. Take time to reflect on your goals and the steps needed to achieve them. Start by focusing on your strengths. Engage in activities that highlight your skills and make you feel confident. Whether it's a sport, a hobby, or a professional skill, excelling in something boosts your confidence. Recognize your accomplishments and celebrate your victories, big or small. Each success, no matter how minor, is a step towards building a stronger sense of self-worth. Engage in activities that you enjoy and that make you feel good about yourself. Pursuing passions and hobbies not only brings joy, but also reinforces your sense of identity and self-assurance. Remember, confidence is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuous growth and self-improvement. Each small step you take towards your goals builds your confidence incrementally. Take small steps each day to step outside your comfort zone. Trying new things and facing challenges head-on helps you grow and become more resilient. Approach women you find attractive, even if it scares you. The act of facing your fears and taking risks is a powerful confidence booster. The more you push yourself, the more confident you will become. Each new experience adds to your confidence reservoir, making you more adept at handling future situations. And as your confidence grows, so too will your attractiveness to the opposite sex. Confidence is a journey of self-discovery and self-acceptance, and it's one that makes you irresistibly magnetic to those around you. Unveiling her true self. In a world saturated with superficiality, genuine interest is a breath of fresh air. It's a rare and precious thing to find someone who truly wants to know you, beyond the surface level. Women are bombarded with messages that focus on their appearance, constantly told that their value lies in how they look. Social media, advertisements, and even casual conversations often emphasize physical beauty over inner qualities. But deep down, they crave to be seen for who they truly are. They long for recognition of their inner world, their thoughts, and their feelings. They want to be appreciated for their intelligence, their kindness, and their unique perspectives. They yearn for someone who is interested in their thoughts, someone who values their opinions and respects their ideas. They want to share their dreams, their fears, and their aspirations with someone who genuinely cares. Their dreams, their fears, and their aspirations are not just idle thoughts, they are the essence of who they are. When you take the time to listen and understand these aspects, you show that you value them as a whole person. When you show genuine interest in a woman, you tap into this desire to be known and understood. You create a space where she feels safe to express herself, where she can be vulnerable without fear of judgment. You demonstrate that you see her as more than just a pretty face. You acknowledge her intellect, her creativity, and her passions. You show her that you are interested in her mind and her heart. You show her that you value her intellect, her personality, and her unique perspective on the world. You appreciate her for who she is, not just for how she looks. And her unique perspective on the world is something that can enrich your own life. By valuing her thoughts and feelings, you open yourself up to new ideas and experiences. So how do you convey genuine interest? It starts with active listening. This means being fully present in the moment, giving her your undivided attention. It starts with active listening. Pay attention to what she says, not just the words themselves, but the emotions behind them. Ask follow-up questions. Dig deeper. Show her that you are truly invested in getting to know the real her. Pay attention to what she says, not just the words themselves, but the emotions behind them. Ask follow-up questions. Dig deeper. Show her that you are truly invested in getting to know the real her. Reflect on her words and respond thoughtfully. Show her that you are truly invested in getting to know the real her. This means being patient and giving her the time and space to open up. It means being empathetic and understanding even when you don't fully agree with her. Remember, genuine interest isn't about showering her with compliments or trying to impress her. It's about creating a space for her to feel comfortable being herself. It's about being authentic and sincere in your interactions. It's about creating a space for her to feel comfortable being herself. When she feels safe and valued, she will naturally open up and share more of herself with you. And when you can do that, you create a connection that goes far beyond the superficial. You build a relationship based on mutual respect, understanding, and genuine care. This is the foundation of a deep and lasting connection. Igniting emotional chemistry. While physical attraction is important, it's the emotional connection that truly ignites a spark. This connection is about creating a space where she feels comfortable, understood, and cherished. It's about making her laugh, making her think, and making her feel like she can be her true self around you. One of the most powerful ways to create emotional chemistry is through humor. Laughter releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects. When you can make a woman laugh, you create a positive association with you in her mind. So, don't be afraid to be playful, to tease her gently, and to share your own sense of humor. Another key element of emotional chemistry is vulnerability. Allowing yourself to be open and honest with her about your thoughts and feelings creates a sense of intimacy and connection. It shows her that you trust her and that you're willing to let her see the real you. Remember, building emotional chemistry is a gradual process. It's about creating a series of positive interactions and shared experiences that deepen your connection over time. Driven by purpose, a man on a mission. Every step he takes, every action he performs, is guided by a deep sense of purpose and direction. Having a strong sense of purpose is incredibly attractive to women. It's not just about the goals you set, but the passion and dedication you show in pursuing them. It shows that you are ambitious, driven, and passionate about something bigger than yourself. This ambition is not just about personal gain, but about making a meaningful impact. It suggests that you have a clear direction in life and that you are actively working towards your goals. This clarity and focus are magnetic, drawing people towards you. This purpose doesn't have to be something grand or world-changing. It can be as simple as striving to be a better person each day. It could be anything from pursuing a fulfilling career, where you find joy and satisfaction in your daily tasks, to volunteering in your community, making a difference in the lives of those around you, to simply being the best father or friend you can be. These small, everyday actions build up to create a life of purpose and meaning. The important thing is that it's something you are genuinely passionate about. Passion fuels your actions and gives you the energy to keep going, even when times are tough. When you are passionate about something, it shows. Your enthusiasm becomes contagious, inspiring those around you. Your eyes light up, your energy levels soar, and you radiate an infectious enthusiasm that draws people to you. This kind of energy is irresistible and makes you stand out in any crowd. Women find this incredibly attractive because it suggests that you are a man of substance, a man who is going places. It shows that you have depth and are not afraid to pursue your dreams. So, take some time to reflect on your own life. Think about what truly matters to you and what you want to achieve. What are you passionate about? What gets you excited? These questions can help you uncover your true purpose. What legacy do you want to leave behind? Consider the impact you want to have on the world and the people around you. Once you identify your purpose, pursue it with relentless determination. Let nothing stand in your way as you work towards your goals. Not only will it make you a more attractive man, but it will also lead to a more fulfilling and meaningful life. embrace your mission, and let it guide you to greatness. The allure of the elusive, striking the balance. While being attentive and interested is crucial, it's equally important to maintain a healthy sense of independence. Women are attracted to men who have their own lives, their own passions, and their own pursuits. They want a partner, not a project. Being constantly available can make you appear too eager or even desperate. It suggests that you don't have a lot going on in your own life and that you are relying on her for validation and fulfillment. This can be a major turnoff for women. Instead, strive to strike a balance between being attentive and maintaining your independence. Make time for her, but also make time for your own interests and hobbies. Let her see that you have a fulfilling life outside of your interactions with her. This doesn't mean you should play games or try to make her jealous. It simply means that you value your own time and that you are not afraid to pursue your own passions. This air of mystery and intrigue will make you all the more desirable. Know you've been a good friend. The bedrock of trust consistency is key. Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship, romantic or otherwise. Without trust, a relationship is built on shaky ground, vulnerable to collapse at any moment. Consistency is the key to building this trust. Consistency means being reliable, following through on your promises, and being there for her when she needs you. It means showing up consistently in both big and small ways, proving to her that she can rely on you. When you are consistent in your actions, you demonstrate that you are a man of your word. You show her that you are trustworthy, dependable, and that you value her time and feelings. This consistency builds a sense of security and stability in the relationship, creating a safe space for her to open up and be vulnerable. Remember, building trust takes time and effort. It's about showing up consistently day after day and proving to her that you are the man you say you are. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thanks for joining me today on this journey.